A Cash App card gets declined at a store most often because the balance is too low, the card is locked in the app, or the merchant type is blocked by Cash App's security system. By the end of this, you'll know how to check the exact reason for a decline, how to unlock your card settings, and how to fix issues that happen at checkout. Start by opening Cash App and checking your balance. If the balance is lower than the purchase amount, the transaction will fail immediately at the register. Next, go to the Cash Card section and check if your card is locked. When the card is locked, every in-store transaction is automatically blocked until you unlock it. Now, check your transaction history. If you see a declined payment entry, tap it to view the reason provided by Cash App. That reason helps you identify whether it's a funding issue, merchant restriction, or security flag. Next, confirm that your card details are active and not expired. An expired or replaced card will still appear in your wallet, but will not work for purchases. Now, check the merchant type. Some store categories are restricted or flagged by Cash App's fraud detection system, which can block certain transactions even with enough balance. Next, verify your internet connection at the time of payment if you were using a digital wallet or contactless payment. Weak or interrupted connectivity can cause tap-to-pay failures. Now open your Cash App settings and make sure international or online payment restrictions are not interfering with in-store usage. Some settings can limit where and how your card works. Next, turn your card off and back on again inside the app. That resets the card authorization session and can fix temporary decline issues. If the issue keeps happening, remove your Cash App card from your wallet and re-add it. That forces a fresh sync between your device and Cash App's payment system. Now, check if multiple failed attempts happened at the same store. Repeated declines can trigger a temporary security block on your card. If that happens, waiting a short period before trying again often resolves it. If nothing works, contact Cash App support and provide the exact time and merchant name of the decline. To sum it up, check your balance, verify card status, review decline reasons, and reset your card connection. Next, always check the app settings before retrying payments at the store. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Cash App fixes, card troubleshooting, and everyday payment solutions.